So when developing your support cage, the foundation of it is PVC pipe. And so you're going to want to have a good bit of 3/4 inch Schedule 40 plumbing grade PVC pipe on hand. Schedule 40 is important. It has to do with the wall thickness of the pipe. In the Schedule 40 gives you a sufficient combination of lightweight, durability, easy to manufacture and work with, but also sturdy and stiff so that it doesn't bend. The gray PVC pipe available in electrical sections isn't necessary. That just has a special treatment so that it's UV protected, and you're not going to really need to worry about that in this application. And then you're going to want to have a good number of 45-degree elbows, 90-degree elbows, and T-fittings on hand to go along with your project. The best way to cut the pipe is to have a ratcheting PVC pipe cutter on hand. And so it's just a simple matter of marking where you want to cut the pipe, and then this is going to ratchet down, and you'll be able to cut through the pipe, getting a nice clean cut like this. It can be done with a hacksaw, but if you use a hacksaw, you're going to end up making a good bit of mess, and then it's not going to have this nice clean fitting at the end, so you're going to want to have something on hand to deburr that rough fitting from the PVC, from the hacksaw. So investing in these cutters is well worth it. It'll make the day go much quicker, much more cleanly, and cut down on a lot of hassle factors during the day. The other thing, if you've worked with PVC pipe before, your first thought is probably going to be PVC primer and PVC cement. That is not how you want to do this. One, it takes the cement a while to actually set, and two, you're probably going to be working in an enclosed space. You're going to have VOCs going on from that, which are not going to be good to have people around. And also you have spill hazards. You know, if you spill that PVC cement and primer on things, it's going to do a good bit of damage. So we recommend using a thread cutting screw. These are a number 8 by 3/8 inch plastic thread cutting screw. And so all we do is, once we've got our frame prepared, we drill a tap hole on the outside, and then we just drive the screw into there, and it'll cut threads through the fitting and into the pipe so that you have a nice, secure connection there now. And we just use one at each corner so that it fits like that. When you're doing your measurements, one of the things you have to recognize is that there's a measurement from the edge of the fitting to the end of the pipe. But your pipe actually goes into this fitting. So you're going to want to make sure that this pipe here, it actually goes in about that deep. So you're going to want to account for that when you're doing any measurements. Fortunately, the PVC pipe is pretty inexpensive, and if you make mistakes, it's not a big deal. That's the other benefit of using the screws. If you determine, oh, we've assembled this and we should actually put a longer piece of pipe in there, since you've used a thread cutting screw, you'll just be able to unthread it, get a new piece of pipe, put it in there, make sure you drill a tap hole in the new pipe again, and then run new screws into there.